I gotta look at my channel.
Look at me go.
Let me go.
Go.
All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2.
My truck.
Wow, it's a nice little collection of trucks you have right here.
It's like two fires and
Three ice. Okay, sounds good. So who's
and Wonder Squad.
so they're all gonna go down this little slide you guys built, right?
Yeah.
All right. Who do you want it to win?
I wanted Earthshaker to win.
Earthshaker Ice.
That means this one win the Hot Wheels.
Okay, you want Earthshaker to win.
Yeah, Earthshaker.
All right. You want to?
I want to go second.
You gonna make him go first?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. That's a good start. Let's see. Let's see who else. Oh, he's winning.
No. I don't want him to win.
I know, but he's winning. All right, it's okay. We'll go. We'll try again next round. It's okay.
No, I don't.
You want to start over? You want to start over?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
No, Mama, Earthshaker win.
It's okay.
Mama, Earthshaker win.
It's okay. Go ahead.
No, he's too slow.
He's too slow?
Yeah.
I don't think he's slow. He's just he hit a bumpy road and he
No.
fell over.
No,
It's okay.
I'm on.
All right. Who do you want? You want that one to win?
Yeah.
All right.
I think.
All right. You gonna go with the big one first?
Yeah.
All right.
Is
Go
this
ahead.
really fast?
Ready? I think so. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that one went pretty far. Next. Oh, you stop. Wait. Okay.
I want the big. Oh no.
Oh, they're close to each other. All right, go. Backwards. Right now, I think Earthshaker's winning.
No.
It's a tie between Earthshaker and the snake
No.
thing.
That's tall enough for him, right?
No, they're both win.
Okay.
Both win.
You still got one more to go. You still got one more up there. Or two. I don't know. So stand up, Elliott. No. Yep. The last one. Let's go.
Oh, winning!
Wow. It landed with style, Elliott. That one went down smooth. I like that one.
That work?
Yeah, that one works.
Yeah?
Yeah. Here, let me fix your hat so you can see. Wow. Right now, which one is winning? Which one is winning? Oh, Earthshaker. Ice Earthshaker is winning. He got stuck. It's okay. Next. Who's that?
Like a snake.
Okay, a snake. Whoa, I think that one's winning now.
Where?
That one, it's winning. The big one.
The snake one?
Yeah.
Oh, so both of them are winning? Or one is winning? Crash.
They crash.
Yep.
Which one's that one?
Like Northern Nightmare Ice.
Northern Nightmare. Okay. Oh, he crashed.
Huh?
He crashed.
When?
Who wins? Let's see. This one. This six-wheeler. Where's your hat?
It's cold.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow on that hat.
I can see.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Careful. Here, let's shake it off. Now, here. Go ahead, you gotta go down. Or why don't you lay with your... Yeah, that. All right, ready? Go. Oh!
Dad wants to turn first.
Okay, hold on, careful. That's gonna go. Go backwards.
Backwards? No, because then I can't see.
That's the point. Oh. Wow. That's awesome sauce. All right, what monster truck's going first?
I'm going Earthshaker.
You're gonna do Earthshaker?
I think that will be your...
What?
No, this
Oh.
one.
Okay.
Who's that?
I don't know. All right, maybe get.
Mommy, maybe we can get
There you go. That one came down better. Huh?
maybe we can get a little bit straighter.
A little bit straighter. You telling me Dad didn't do a good job?
No?
Oh! That one was.
Hey, that one ran. No, Mimi. No.
What are you doing?
I'm in the clubhouse.
You're in a clubhouse.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So we can put some snacks there.
You can do some what?
Some snacks.
Snacks?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not cold in there?
No.
No? Oh, you're so cute.
Let's get some snacks in here.
Let's get some snacks.
Yeah. Let's get some snacks in here.
Okay.
Can you get some snacks so I can do
Give me a big smile.
Let's go get the snacks.
Okay.
Yep. Now push yourself with your feet from the fence.
You got stuck.
Oh my God, he landed.
He landed.
Superman it, Superman it.
He wants to do. You okay? Is that the way you're gonna go? Okay, just be careful.
Okay.
Hector. Ellie, you're hilarious, dude. Oh my God. Careful, that's too big.
Hey, like and subscribe, guys. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I'm gonna keep playing on the snow. Peace out. Oh yeah.